All right, let's just jump right in. If you've ever, and I mean ever, managed a website, you know this feeling. You've got the traffic. Things are looking okay, but your conversions, they're just not where they should be. The answers, you know they're buried somewhere in how your users are behaving, but finding them, it feels next to impossible. Well, today we're going to look at a whole new way to get those answers by swapping that manual, painful grind for some seriously cool automated insights. So, first things first, let's talk about the real heart of the problem, what your users aren't saying. See, these are the silent killers, the little frustrating moments on your site that make people just give up and leave. And let's be honest, they're probably not coming back. This right here is where conversions go to die. And this question is everything, isn't it? What if you could actually get ahead of the game? Just imagine being able to spot a critical user experience problem, figure out what's causing it, and get it fixed before it even pops up on a weekly report. I mean, that's the dream, right? That's the goal. Now, the really tricky part here is the silence. A frustrated user doesn't usually shoot you a detailed email breaking down their issue. Nope, they just click away, gone. Your website is basically leaking potential sales, signups, you name it, from all these tiny invisible friction points. And if you're a digital pro, all the pressure is on you to find those leaks and plug them up. So, how have we usually tried to solve this puzzle? Well, that brings us to what we'll call the old way. And frankly, it's all about drowning in data. It's that frustrating, exhausting reality of trying to piece together clues from a massive mountain of analytics and session recordings. It's a lot. And this chart just lays it out perfectly. Look at the left, the before. You're basically guessing from heat maps, forcing yourself to watch hours and hours, endless hours of recordings, and you're still probably missing the really critical stuff. It's slow, it's manual, it's tiring. Now look at the after. You're visualizing behavior instantly. The AI is literally pointing out what matters. Issues are detected automatically. You're going from being a data detective to an insight director. It's a total game changer. Just let this number sink in for a second. 10,000. That's how many different user sessions you could potentially have to watch just to find that one golden nugget, that one aha moment that could actually boost your conversions. I mean, who has time for that? The answer is nobody. It's an impossible task for any human being. And that's the real difference, isn't it? Watching thousands of recordings, that's being busy. But pinpointing the exact reason your checkout flow is broken in less than 5 minutes, that's being productive. The old way keeps you occupied. The new way actually drives impact. So if the old way just keeps us busy and not productive, how do we fix it? Well, this is where we make the pivot. We're talking about a whole new way of thinking, automated insight. And the idea is beautiful in its simplicity. Let the AI do all the heavy lifting so you can focus on what really matters, the solutions. So the workflow becomes unbelievably simple. Step 1, you do one tiny thing. You just paste a tracking snippet onto your site. That's literally it. From that moment on, the AI completely takes over. It's auto-recording user behavior, it's detecting issues, it's analyzing everything, and then bam, it just hands you the answers you need. It's a true set-it-and-forget-it path to insight. And you just gotta love this. The end result is you get to kick back, sip your coffee, and present these brilliant insights like you were the one who spent all weekend digging through data. It's all about working smarter, not harder. So what do you actually get with this new workflow? Let's talk about your new analytical superpowers. These are the specific tools that are going to completely transform how you approach user experience. Okay, first up, there's time travel. Seriously, imagine being able to instantly pull up a heat map. You know, one of those visual maps of where people click and scroll, of your homepage from 6 months ago, before the big redesign, and then compare it side by side with today's version. This tool lets you analyze old versions of your site without ever having to set up a complicated A/B test. It's just incredibly powerful. Then you've got Change Radar. This superpower automatically flags anytime something on your site changes. Maybe a headline gets tweaked or a button gets moved, and then it instantly shows you the performance before and after that change. It completely removes the guesswork about whether your updates are actually helping or hurting. And the arsenal just keeps going. AI session recordings jump you right to the juicy parts, the ahas and the oh no moments. Click maps show you where people are trying to click on things that aren't even clickable. You've got automated UX detection that finds stuff like rage clicks. You know, when a user gets so mad they just click furiously on the same spot. And you could even get direct feedback from users with little on-page surveys. Now, look, having superpowers is awesome, but you need some proof that they actually work, right? And that brings us to the final piece of the puzzle, moving away from guesswork and into certainty, backed by real-world results and trust. Yeah, this isn't just some abstract concept. It's a proven approach. We're talking over 10,000 websites and growth hackers who are already using these kinds of tools. They are actively improving what works and, maybe even more importantly, fixing what doesn't, all based on this automated insight. And we're seeing validation from some really respected names in the industry. Here's a quote from Matus Mikasiewicz over at Ahrefs, and you know they're a giant in the SEO and marketing world. He points out that the real power is in the tool's ability to analyze all those recordings and automatically spot the weird, abnormal patterns that a human eye would almost definitely miss. And here's another one, this time from Michael King, the founder of iPullRank. He puts it perfectly. It's an AI alternative to Hotjar, which I'm sure a lot of you know. The key difference he points out is that layer of AI that gives you truly comprehensive insights, going way beyond what a simple heat map can tell you. And to top it all off, this all just plugs right into the way you already work. You can automate alerts for things like rage clicks to go straight to a Slack channel, or automatically create a new task in Notion or a ticket in Zendesk. It's all designed to help you focus on making an impact, not on doing busy work. So, all of that brings us to the big takeaway here. After seeing how AI can cut through all that noise to find the actual signal, it really just leaves us with one final crucial question. Think about it. Every single click, every scroll, every little moment of hesitation, it's all feedback. Your users are constantly, silently showing you exactly how to make your website better. So the only question left is, are you watching?